What's going on, YouTube? Fishing with Drew Outdoors, and we are out on Grapevine Lake and gonna get into some fish. On a nice cloudy day like this, we'll go ahead and get the buzzbait going. Got that on the Browning Stalker, 7-foot rod, medium heavy, fast action. Let's get it. Well guys, didn't have the camera rolling of course, but caught this nice chunk right here on the buzzbait. Look at that. Ooh. Real nice. Let's try and hook up to another one. Got that on the buzzbait. Look at that. Got his ass double hooked with the trailer. Whew. Oh yeah, that's what I do it for, ladies and gentlemen. Nice looking bass right there. Let's hook into another one. Got that buzzbait running along the rocks right here, along the edge of the bank. That's how I caught that one. So right now I'm just trying to cover as much water as I could with this buzzbait. So I'm just throwing it along. It's a good perfect day for top water, real cloudy. Kind of cool, not too cold. Early fall, top water fishing. One thing you always got to do is make sure your line is lined up perfectly with your worm drive. Well, been throwing that buzzbait around for a little bit. Might have died down just a little bit. I'm gonna try it again, but for right now, get that spinnerbait going. Got the willow leaf, Strike King 3/8 ounce, and this is on the Megacast 6 foot 6 inch. Got the 15-pound fluorocarbon line, PLine exactly, and we're gonna try and hook up with some fish. Always make sure to have a trailer hook on there. Let's check it out. You always want to keep your rod tip down. Well, didn't really get any luck on that spinnerbait, so I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the buzzbait. All right, let's see if we can hook up with another topwater fish. On the buzzbait, right there on the top lip. Oh yeah. Oh my God, I think I just broke my PB. Hell yeah, look at that big old, look at that mouth. Big old chunk, baby. That's what I do it for. Bass fishing here, baby. Fishing with Drew Outdoors. Caught that on the jig head. Oh yes. Let's get official weight on her. Official weight is, well, as you can tell, I'm back at the house. So just a little input. I was actually fishing and started coming down raining, so I went on ahead and packed up and took off, made it back to the house, and I'm gonna finish out this video here. So okay, so I was out at Grapevine Lake. Anyone who doesn't know where that's at, that's in Dallas Metroplex out in Texas. That's where I'm from, Texas. And what I was fishing, I was actually using topwater action, which was a buzzbait made by Strike King. And it's like in the green pumpkin look. I caught about like 4 or 5 fish off of there. And I got one clip where you saw me actually retrieve it. And the other ones were just, I pulled up with the fish. I know it's kind of frustrating, but just to let you know, I'm actually filming from my iPhone actually. That's what I'm filming from. So it's kind of difficult to actually have it filming, fishing, filming, fishing. I'm trying to do both, but hopefully things work out where I could give me a GoPro and the videos will be a lot better, where I could actually be fishing at the same time filming. So that's coming real soon, and just be patient. The videos will get better. One good thing though, I broke my PB today, which is close to a 5-pounder. It came out to 4.71 pounds. That was really amazing. I wish I could have caught that one on film, but I did get videos of it, little clip of it. I got a few pictures with it, so that's one good thing. But I was actually using my 7-foot rod, the Browning Stalker. I had the braided line, of course, the spiderwire stealth braided line, 30-pound line, and I was actually using a Strike King jig with the trailer of a rage tail creature bait, the black and blue with the coffee scent. So that's how I caught that fish. Today I tried spinnerbait. I tried that little finesse setup that I had. Buzzbait was awesome today. They were just straight hitting that buzzbait. And then towards the end, I was just throwing around a jig, and that's where I caught my PB. So that's real good. I'm real excited about that. So that's gonna go ahead and end this video. And like I said though, the videos will get better. I will try my best. I'm barely starting out trying to work with these filming and fishing at the same time. And don't forget, the hunting videos are coming soon too as well. But all in all, it was a good day out on the water. I caught about 5 or 6 fish today, so that's real good. I'm real excited about that. So I'll see y'all next time. Remember, fishing with Drew. If you like these videos, hit that like button. If you have any comments, go ahead and leave those comments below. Any questions, or if you see I'm doing something wrong, please help me out. I would love your input. And as always, if you really like the videos, hit that subscribe button and see some more videos with Drew basically. So I'll see y'all later. Have a good one.